So for today's video, guys, the bootcamp is going to the end little by little. It's soon gonna end, but for today we're gonna talk about trending market and ranging market. There are two types of market and we both talked about that. When you start trading, you need to figure out what kind of the markets do you prefer. Do you like more trending market or do you like the ranging market? And that gonna show for you what kind of the traders you are and where you feel more comfortable, because with the trading you need to be comfortable with your own strategy if you want to be profitable. So let's get into the chart. So yeah, ranging market and trending market, we all know that, but we need to understand several things. Yeah, we can go to the top right now. Ranging market is basically when the price is staying in the same range. Yeah, support resistance, supply demand, and the market moves like this, something like that. Yeah, for you to get an idea. We already talked about that, so you need to understand what is more preferable for you. Maybe this way, and there of course there's gonna be another way. When the market is forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and moving to one direction, there you can catch bigger trades, there you can hold it. And yeah, as I'm saying, that depends. If you're gonna be the position trading, of course it's better to be a trend market trader. If you're gonna try to make money trading futures, what I'm doing and what I'm gonna teach you in the academy, both markets are good. We are using day trading, and day trading, if you have several points taken for today, you can make a trade. You can find entry points and you can try to make money from that. Now let's go to the markets. Yeah, let's go to the market. And at the moment, right now, the Bitcoin for the past 2 months are basically in the ranging market. You see, I'm gonna take the bigger brackets from here. Yeah, this is a demand zone, and if you go a little bit back, what do we have? We have the market is in the ranging market. Yeah, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, and now it's staying in the upper side, but it's possible it's gonna check the supply zone, maybe take out the liquidity, and after that go to the bottom. It's possible. This is a ranging market, and that depends what's your strategy is. This is how you're trading, but that's the whole idea. Yeah, you're looking for the higher time frame. What is the market? If we go back a little bit, we can see a huge dump. Yeah, and the market was going up for a while. You see, that's a trending market. Yeah, market is going up, forming higher highs, higher lows, highest point here, and then starting go down. You see, there is no clear supply demand zone. It's just lower lows, lower highs for the next part of the Bitcoin movement. So maybe this is gonna be your strategy, I don't know. And for example, you have some kind of the demand zone here. Yeah, we have our change of character, the market starting to building higher highs, higher lows, and in the lower time frame you are taking the trade. Yeah, you are entering the trade, you have a close stop loss, and with the trending market you, for example, can take the profit. Yeah, this is huge a little bit, 1 to 10. Yeah, just example, you're taking part of the volume, another part, what you're doing, you're leaving. Yeah, for the runner it's gonna be much bigger. I think my biggest RR was like 1 to 30. So yeah, it was good times. This is what you can do. You can leave the runners if you have and you're trading on the trending market. If you're trading on the supply demand zones and support resistance, I mean, yeah, you're entering the trade, for example, here. Yeah, we have a supply zone here, we have a rejection, we have our stop loss, we have our take profit. And what we are doing in the ranging markets, we have our strictly rules. Where is our take profit? So if we put our entry on the supply zone in the top, we can expect and we can wait for our take profit, for our full take profit to be on the bottom on the demand zone. So basically that's the difference. Which markets do you prefer? It's of course depends on you. For me, it's not really matter because yeah, I have experience and I'm day trader, so I'm trading basically every day. I'm at least trying to find and finding at least one good setup every day, and right now we are in the ranging market, so the rules a little bit changing for me. You know, when there was a trending market I was applying some other rules. Now it's a ranging market, so other rules. You playing with that, but if you're starting you need to figure out which way is the best for you, which way is working for you, and when you do that, then try to apply something for yourself. So for example here, yeah, we have trade like that, a little bit too big, but we're going with the lower time frame. Yeah, 15 minutes, because yeah, we checked the market on the 4-hour chart, and now where's our trade? Okay, yeah, I think I passed it. So yeah, for example, you're entering the trade here in the lower time frame, you see the rejection, you can put your stop loss here above the VIX, and what you're doing, you're targeting at least to take profits. So the first take profit can be in the decent paying points, or here as the liquidity grab, also possible, and the main take profit has to be on the bottom. So yeah guys, this is basically it for the differences, and you should feel that. How do you feel about the markets? Figure out other pairs like Ethereum, Solana, Hyper, and XRP, for example, but you have to do your own analysis in this one. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.